I'm ready to ride next block. I'm ready to ride.
I like riding.
You already got to. It's my turn.
There's only 4 games though.
It's still my turn.
Give me a full block.
A full block?
I pulled alright the last 3.
Alright.
So really, I rode for like 2.5 games. I pulled okay. Did I beat you any of those games? No.
First game.
First game I beat you.
The second game I beat you by 1.
Yeah, so that's kind of a walk. Set. I feel like we're kind of close, just not quite getting the right balls or the right things, but it's Mikey's time to shine. And if you think about last block, it's my time to shine. There's our time to shine. It's time to go. So we made the cut. The gutter did not matter.
Because I got the first one in the 10th, that's why.
We drilled some balls.
Gutters are okay if you get the first one in the 10th.
Pitch black, because that new urethane rule. I got to replace the one I got. And a Rubicon.
Oh my god.
Because pin and palm.
Big shot.
Yes. Hey, what's up? Oh. You hit me in the nuts, didn't affect anything. It was good.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't write my name all the time.
He hit you in the nuts?
Almost. He was really close.
It was, yeah, I was
Well, that's why it didn't affect you.
a cup check.
So Chris and Ronnie made it as well. So that's cool. The entire room made it. First cut of the World Series of Bowling. We're good. That's my first cut this year. Told you guys the vibes are getting better. We're moving in the right direction. I gotta stop making jokes about myself bowling bad this year because that's not helping me. But
We have a check to add your Pro-Am money to.
Yeah.
but I said we were done making those kinds of jokes. But it's I guess. But I'm excited. I get extra bowling tomorrow with Mikey. We're gonna make a run at the show.
Mantra, Dan,
We struggled tonight, but
tell him my mantra.
we're gonna wreck them tomorrow. I'm probably gonna bowl in the short. Mikey's gonna bowl in the long.
He's taking the short from me.
Taking the short. I crowbarred him today. Come on. For 4 games.
You got the short last year.
Anyways, did I?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, Mikey didn't bowl exceptionally well enough to decidedly grab one based on results. So, we'll be back tomorrow for 16 games around robin of Baker match play. Focus. We'll see you then. We're here. We have 2 blocks of 8 Baker match play. I'm bowling on the right lane, which is the shorter. Mikey's ball on the left, which is the longer, because he hits the absolute piss out of it, and his ball goes sideways, and I figure his ball reaction will get better, faster on the long. Because Mikey was ripping 9 pins like no other, and wasn't that enjoyable to watch. So hopefully our game plan works out. And we'll do some new balls, Rubicon, another pitch black. We got Timmy Mack and AJ Johnson first, so that should be exciting. boys and girls. We're bowling terrible, but we just came off of 2 240s. We got some W's, and we have front 9. Please tell me a triple 4. He's terrible. Garbage.
Yeah, you point at me when you say garbage.
After the last one, I expected.
Oh, there's a piece. They're valuable.
Dude. Did that one strike? Wow. Of course. 3. We got 3 in a row. We got a little
I should've just walked out.
60 bomb. Oh,
Damn.
Daddy
Wait.
BJ.
With the bonus pens?
With the bonus. Oh, no. With the bonus, we got 850.
No credit.
We're climbing.
No credit.
We're climbing. Good job, partner. We can still make this show.
I'm just happy we're not in last.
We're not in last. There's no way.
We're not.
That was a pretty good game. But you know, we should have like 850 in the last 3.
I could fuck that up.
We could do that though. We're back half players.
Yeah, we picked up 250 pins last 3 games.
Dubskis. We have 5 total wins in 15 games. We're 5 and 10. And we just bowled Brad and Kyle.
Yeah, they're getting brutalized.
Yeah. And, you know, of all people that we wouldn't want to win against, I mean, we try to beat everybody no matter what, but
It's not fair. I had to be the guy that shut him out too.
yeah, and you definitely tried to give it to him in the second one.
It was a move. What do you mean?
I'm not saying you intentionally threw, but like that shot could have got 6.
Yeah, it could have notched.
It could have got 6, but yeah, we try our hardest every time. And unfortunately, the cards fell the way they did, but they're still in contention. They have a good chance. They'll get it done. They're bowling good. And I'm hoping we bowl 300, so we move up like 7 spots, because it's kind of close, I think. I don't really know, I haven't seen scores, but
I've got an itch we're going to be on the other side.
yeah, we're bowling a lot better this block, and we need to win to have the same number of wins as the first block. Brutalized. Well, that's close.
Did you see that? We actually did it 2 in a row.
God, you're such a good bowler.
This is the first game in this block I've struck every shot. Well, I got a fill ball.
I'm sorry, that's my fault. We could have bowled 300.
Sure it is. Whatever.
I had a chance the other game bowl against you. Rocked it in.
He's still got one more shot. He hasn't struck everyone yet.
Throw it straight.
Throw it straight.
What a lucky guy.
You did it.
Oh, you fouled.
Yeah, nice. Alright, well, all done. We're either gonna finish 11th or 12th. Won our last game. Finished 6-10. Not the best, but it's a good start to the week. Not complaining. Definitely throwing it better than I have been this entire tour, so things are looking up. No idea where the boys went. Nice ball. Yep. We got practice for the main thing tomorrow. The show is tomorrow. Probably not gonna show up for it, but yeah, things are looking up, and I'm not mad about it.
Hey,
Hey!
I love the vlog.
Thank you. You're on it.
Love the vlog. Hey,
Love the
all right.
vlog.
Right on. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Well,
I gotta go find the dog.
bye.